Hello, welcome to this brief tutorial on how to save and organize articles into folders on EBSCOhost. Once you have accessed the EBSCOhost page through SNU, you have the option to save your information to a folder. In order to use this function, you will first need to create a free account that is only used in EBSCO. This is not tied to any of your SNU accounts. To do this, click on the Sign In tab at the top of the page. If this is your first time, you will need to click on the link next to Don't Have an Account, Sign Up. You will then have the option to sign up with a Google account or fill out the information and click Continue. I already have an account, so I will go back and sign in through my Google account. You will know that you are logged in because you can see your name at the top right-hand corner. Always double check and make sure you are logged in before you start trying to save items in a folder, or else they may not be there when you try to retrieve them the next time. In order to see your folders and manage them, click on the Folder tab at the top of the page. Here you will see a list of the folders that you have. You see that I have one folder already created. If you want to create a new folder, click on the New button and type in the name of your folder and hit Save. You can also put your folder underneath a larger heading, like under one of these larger headings, if you'd like. And now you can see that my folder has appeared. Now, let's say I'm working on a group project with some people from my class, and we are all responsible to share research. These are really handy because you can share your folder with other members of your class. In order to do this, simply click on the little plus icon. And you can see that there is an option there to edit or share. Click the share option, and it will allow you to type in the email addresses of your classmates. You can type in a message as well and send them an invite. This will send them an email saying that you have shared this folder with them, and it will also give them a passcode. The passcode is what they will use to accept this folder and add it to their folder selection. If I want to edit the name of my folder, we go back down here. I'll just click on the Edit button. And I can change my folder name. Click on that Save, and here the folder is saved. Now let's go back to do a search and see how we add an item to our folder. Going back to New Search here on the top left, I will search for library research. Let's say that I want to save this first article to a folder. You can see a little folder icon beside the title of the article over here on the right. If you click that little icon, you can choose which folder you want to add it to. I'm going to add it to library and research folder. And now you can see that the folder has changed to yellow. If you want to double check that it's in there, you can click the folder option at the top. And scroll down to that folder that I put that in here. And you can see in articles that my article is in this folder. If you're finished with the article and you want to delete it, you're going to click the checkbox next to the title and click delete items, and the article will be deleted. If you want to copy it to a folder, just click copy to and choose the folder you want to copy it to. If you want to move it somewhere else, you can also move it directly to that folder. And that is how you create a folder in EBSCOhost. If you need any further research assistance, feel free to ask the reference librarian in person or by phone, chat, or email. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.